Do you want to use and install the Samsung Galaxy Fold Live Wallpapers on the home screen and on the lock screen of your Xiaomi Poco F1? That's what we're going to do in this video. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Galaxy Fold Live video wallpapers on your Xiaomi Poco F1, the home screen and the lock screen. Let us first go into settings, about phone, and as you can see right now, I'm running MIUI 10.2.3.0 stable based on Android 9.0 Pie. Do note you need to be rooted using Magisk for this process to work, and you also need to have Magisk Manager installed. I have a separate video on how to root your Xiaomi Poco F1, which is linked in the description of this video, and it will also pop up as a card on the top right of your screen. Other than that, you need to download the zip file which is linked in the description of this video. It is named galaxy_fold_video_wall.zip. This zip file has the video wallpapers from the Galaxy Fold, and it also has the static wallpapers in case you want to use those. Once you've downloaded the zip file, place it in the internal memory of your phone, open Xiaomi's file manager, and then click on this guy. It will ask you to extract. Just click on extract files to, and then just click on extract. So now we have a new folder called galaxy_fold_video_wall in the internal memory of a Xiaomi Poco F1. You have the .png files, and you also have the .mp4 files, which are the video wallpapers from the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Next thing we need to do is we need to have a file explorer which lets us access the root of the Xiaomi Poco F1. I will be using FX File Explorer. Again, the link to this app is in the description of this video. We'll open FX File Explorer, click on Accept, click on Allow, click on the back button, uncheck the 7-day trial for FX Plus, and then click on OK. Next thing we need to do is click on the 3-bar menu on the top left of your screen, go into Settings, and now we need to look for root access. So here we have it, developer/root. Click this guy and then click on Enable. I understand the risk, make sure it is checked, and then click on OK. Click on the back button, and we have system in bracket root, this option which is new. Click on this guy and then click on OK. You should have a pop-up for allowing it. Click on grant. In case you do not get a pop-up from Magisk Manager, do not panic. All you need to do in that case is leave FX File Explorer open, click on the home button, then open Magisk Manager, click on the home button one more time, and then open FX File Explorer again, and you should get a notification to allow root access for File Explorer, or FX File Explorer in this case. Back on the home screen of FX File Explorer, we will click on System in brackets root, and then you see this lock symbol on top. Click on this guy and then click on I understand the risk, and then click on OK. This means that our file system is now mounted as read-write. Another thing you need to note over here is that the lock is now unlocked, which means mounting the system as read-write was successful. We will scroll down and look for system, click on this guy, and notice that the lock is locked again. Click on this guy one more time, I understand the risk, and then click on OK. Again, it is mounted as read-write and the lock is now unlocked. We will now look for another folder called media. Click on this guy, then click on lock screen. Over here we need to create another folder, so click on the 3-dot menu on the top right, click on folder. It will ask you the name of the folder which you need to create. We will type in video, video, and then click on OK. So a new folder called video is created. We will click on the back button one more time, click on the back button, keep going back till we are in system folder. Over here we need to click on SD card and go inside the Galaxy Fold video wall folder, which was created when we extracted the video wallpapers. Press and hold one of these MP4 files. It is selected. Now tap the other 3 files, which ensures that all the 4 files are now selected. Click on copy option on the top of your screen. Then we need to go back one more time, go into system, go into media, go into lock screen, go into video, and here we will click on clipboard and then click on paste. So the 4 video wallpapers from the Galaxy Fold have been pasted at their correct location. Click on the home screen, long press anywhere on your home screen. You will get multiple options. On the bottom left you have wallpaper, click on this guy, click on no thanks, and then click on this smiley icon on the bottom right. Next we will click on wallpapers, then we will click on my wallpaper movies, and there we have it, Samsung Galaxy Fold Live Wallpapers in the building. Click on this guy. There it is, the beautiful butterfly. Click on apply, click on set both, configured without sound. Click on the home button. There we have it, Samsung Galaxy Fold wallpaper working like a boss on a Xiaomi Poco F1. Let us now lock the Poco F1 and see if it is working on the lock screen or not. And there we have it, working on the lock screen as well. In case you want to change to another wallpaper, just long press on your desktop or home screen, click on wallpaper, smiley icon one more time, wallpapers, my wallpaper movies. Let's select this guy, different color, pretty damn good. Click on apply, set both, click on the home screen, and there we have it, Samsung Galaxy Fold Live Wallpapers working on the home screen and on the lock screen of a Xiaomi Poco F1. That's it for this video, peeps. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.